Hello everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well and keeping safe. My name is Sapna Sangode, Assistant Professor, AISS MS, College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. I welcome you all for my today's session on etiquette and mannerism in food and beverage department. Let us understand what are the objectives. By the end of session, student will be able to learn what good manners are. They can also describe how to use good manners in different situations. They can demonstrate examples of good manners while role playing. Introduction. The hotel and restaurant business is an mixture of showmanship, diplomacy, and sociability. All frontline personnel are required to have ability to communicate effectively coupled with certain manners and the etiquette associated with gentleness. The etiquette that has a waiter exhibits in a restaurant should comprise of following points. Etiquette. Let us understand more clearly about what is etiquette. Etiquette is it is a set of guidelines to follow in different situations which is called etiquette. For example, table etiquette while eating. Now here in this we can understand much more clearly what is exactly etiquette. Etiquette belongs to how one should act in front of others, how one should address people of different stature, how one should eat when there are the many guests, how one person should be eating in front of others, how one should stand, how we have to stand in front of the guest, how one should walk when you are on where when you are in restaurant, how you should walk over there in front of the guest. You should not be in a hurry, you should not be in dancing mode. How one should talk with guests, not very loudly, you should be talking very softly with the guest. How one should dance. So this all kind of things it comes under the etiquette. Attend to guests as soon as they enter the restaurant. Many times it happens the guests they are waiting and nobody is attending them. So you have to be much more alert about when they are coming. You have to attend the guests as soon as they enter in the restaurant. Assist the guests to remove warm, heavy coats in winter and help put them when they leave. This is a basic etiquette. Whenever the guest will come with the heavy coat, you have to remove his coat, and when they are leaving, you have to help them to put it back. Okay, wish the guests according to the time of the day and welcome them to the restaurant. This comes under the very basic etiquette. According to the time of the day, you have to wish to guests. Preferably address them by their name, which requires remembering them. When we are calling the guests with their name, they just remember that the people they are aware about him and they like their likes and dislikes. And generally, most of the waiters they are aware about the guests by their name. Be polite to guests. Never ever rude to guests. Help to sit ladies first. If the number of guests are there, like two, three, four number of guests are there, and in that ladies is there, then you have to help them first. Provide the extra cushion or special chairs for children. If they are carrying children, then you need to provide them a cushion as a etiquette. When speaking to guests, do not interrupt him if he is speaking to another guest. Do not overhear the conversation. Here is a short video on dining etiquettes. Manners. Manners related to social behavior. How a person behaves when with others. Generally, when we are using these words, it comes under the manner like thank you, may I, please, you are most welcome, smile. This is all comes under the manners. There are more clearly we can understand about manners. Respecting the elders, respecting others people property, not speaking in a rude manner, asking for permission before taking someone's property, not staring, not talking about someone behind someone's back, being polite. These all points comes under the manners. Avoid mannerisms such as touching hair or nose, picking, etc. Stand erect at all times. A gentle bow at the time of service is permissible. Remember a guest special dish and remind them that you know it as certain whether he would like to order it again. Be attentive to guest call. Talk softly. Strike a match to enable a guest to light his cigarette. This is all comes under the etiquettes and manners if the guest requires something and you are providing immediately to guest. Softly speaking, attentive to guest call, remember the guest special dish. This is all gives the most satisfaction to the guest. Avoid arguing with service staff and guests in the restaurant. Carry pencils in the pockets and not behind ears or clipped in front of the jacket. Desist from chewing gum or betel nut. Present the bill or check to the host discreetly in order to avoid embarrassing him. Avoid soliciting for tips. Remove tips after the guest has left. Enter and leave the restaurant through the service door only. These all points comes under the restaurant staff etiquette. So please, when you are, removing the tips, just see around whether the guests are there or not, or this is from chewing gum or betel nut. This is not allowed at all. Now, more clearly, we can have the difference between etiquette and manners. Let us understand what is etiquette. Etiquettes often change depending on culture and custom, whereas manners are often similar throughout different cultures. Just now I have explained you respect elders, the example for manners. Okay, so this is throughout different and throughout different cultures they are following the same. They are respecting all elders. They are just saying thank you, okay, may I please. And etiquettes are a set of a societal rules that are usually followed by a good mannered member of a society, whereas manners are not just a generalized set of rules but rather a set of actions that are done in consideration of others. If you have any kind of query or question, please let me know. Thank you. Please find below mentioned references for this video.